Hello everybody, welcome to today's daily video, and today we are comparing the timing of the tops for the S&P 500 and crypto. On the screen there is a Bitcoin chart with the candles overlaid with a blue line, which is the S&P 500. I am using Bitcoin chart, although I could easily use total chart. But my total chart is very messy, there is so much drawing there, you would just get lost. This is much clearer and the results are very similar. If you use the total index, you will get very similar results to this one. So, as you can see, I am comparing the tops, including even this minor equity top we had late October 2025, where crypto and Bitcoin topped early October, which was roughly 3 weeks sooner. Q1 this year, crypto peaked 30 days sooner. March 2024, crypto peaked 2 weeks sooner. Although you could also argue that it peaked actually much sooner. But well, then we had the situation the same like we have, or not the same, but similar than we have today, because then the stocks continued in the new all-time highs in 2024, but crypto actually. No, crypto went. They basically, it was underperforming, and that's exactly what's happening right now. But that's not what we are analyzing right now. Then another top in 2023, the crypto peaked 18 days before the S&P 500, and in November 2021, crypto peaked 54 days before S&P 500. The conclusion is very obvious. Every single time, every single minor even peak that we are gonna have, we are having, crypto peaks is a canary in a coal mine. It always peaks sooner. And why is it important to talk about this today, analyze this today? It's because the next year I personally expect a top for equity and therefore for crypto. I don't think that this correlation between the crypto and equities is there just yet. I don't know when will it come. I think from first principles thinking, I think it should occur sometime. That's how the world should work, but that's a whole different discussion. So I also see a crypto peak in Q1. However, of course, we don't know if this is going to be correct, if we won't go quite shockingly right now actually back into the fully bull mode and going back up. However, if that's not gonna happen, if basically this view that I'm sharing with you, that the markets will peak in Q1, late Q1, early Q2, somewhere there. Excuse me, I'm still a little bit sick. If that comes true, it's very important to account that crypto is going to peak sooner, and it's going to be approximately 1 month sooner. But it could be even more, but although this 54 days sooner, we had that several years ago, so that's probably not the case. All the cases that happened were all around 1 month, 3 weeks, 4 weeks sooner, but sooner. So if you would be looking for a Q1, or let's say for spring top in equities, don't forget that the crypto top will be before that.